Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to Papua New Guinea on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have shown this video how you can do it in your web browser like your laptop or desktop. But in this video particularly, I am showing you how you can do it on your mobile device. Okay, so I have opened this ICSA. Let me just do Immigration and Citizenship for Papua New Guinea website. So here under visa, we have this visitor visa, and how to apply you have a link here, apply online, but of course this is for the countries who can be issued a visa on arrival. Okay, that's what. So here go for visitor. So easy visitor permit 30 days, they have 60 days, tourist own itinerary, tour package, all such things are there. Okay, for every kind they have like validity, how many days, how many entries, how to apply. Fees also given, for example this one 50 USD, and what you need, like your passport and your return ongoing ticket, proof of funds. Okay, all right, so let's click on apply. So 3 steps: search for the visa type and confirm visa type requirement, register, submit, and issue. Okay, so first of all select your nationality. So I'm doing a sample, you do it as per your own case. Okay, so I click on proceed. So these are the things you need: cover letter, purpose of visit, accommodation, contact details, evidence of fund, means your plan for evidence of fund, your passport copy and return ticket, onward ticket, so that they know you are a genuine tourist. Tap on proceed. Now you have to put an email and in order to register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see. Okay guys, so I clicked what happened, I got a link. Okay, on clicking that, my email ID was verified, and then I was presented a screen where I had to select the password, confirm password, and also the security question and answer. So I did set up all those and then I reached here. Okay, so now how long you are going to plan to stay. So I'm just going to put a sample, whatever details I put here, sample. Okay, you do as per your own case. So I put 30. How you will be funding for your stay, I'll just say own funds. Okay, next. Family name, given name, date of birth, gender, marital status, country of birth, nationality, place of birth, occupation. So enter this information very carefully. Even if you do small mistake, people struggle a lot, so don't do like that. Okay, so I'm going to put some sample and then I'm going to see you guys. In the next section, it is asking for the passport details. Definitely I assume you have passport number, enter passport number, expiry date, issue place, authority, and document type. So I'm selecting passport here. Okay, and then tap on next. So I'm gonna enter some sample information, then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, that screen is passed. Arrival, name of the vessel, flight number, port, which date you are gonna come. Okay, so if you have the plan already, like if you have booked your flights already, you know you're going there and coming out, both details you must have. So you're going to put that details here, including the dates and flight and the port that you're going to use. Okay, and then we're going to tap on next. Okay, so I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, it is asking, have you ever been known by any other name? If yes, provide the details below. If no, hit the next button. Okay, fine. So I assume no, so next no. If yes to any of the following question, please give details. Have you ever visited PNG before? I select no. Have you ever, see, but question is down and options are up. Have you ever been charged with or convicted of a criminal offense? No. Have you ever been deported from or refused entry to? No. Do you suffer from disease which would constitute a health risk to? No. I select no, but if you have any, provide the information. Okay. Next is address, city, phone, postal code, country, home phone, PNG, where you're gonna set. Like if you have already booked your hotel, you definitely have that information. So provide that information and tap on next. So I'm gonna see you guys. Next it is asking for emergency contact. None of these fields are mandatory, but definitely provide so that they can reach you in case of an emergency, and then tap up on next. Now we have reached the end where you have to provide the checklist, copy of passport bio, return onward ticket, evidence of fund, cover letter where you have to describe, and files must be smaller 10 MB. When you go to next, it will ask you to pay for it, and then from there it will go for process, and if granted, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.